Today, we're diving into one of the weirdest food-producing anomalies ever found by the SCP Foundation, SCP-9420, nicknamed the creature that lays the IKEA meatballs. At first glance, SCP-9420 looks bizarre, but harmless. It's a pale, ovoid organism that resembles a hairless little pig made of elastic, dough-like tissue, with no visible eyes, ears, limbs, or bones. Every 17 to 23 seconds, one of its sphincter-like openings expels a perfectly formed, fully cooked meatball, visually and chemically indistinguishable from the meatballs served in the furniture retailer IKEA's own in-store restaurant menus, right down to moisture, seasoning, and temperature. Imagine that, an animal that literally produces delicious, piping hot meatballs on a loop. The Foundation classifies SCP-9420 as Euclid, meaning it's stable but still weird enough to need controlled containment. It's kept in a dedicated chamber with a sanitizable floor, diffuse lighting, and calm ambient cafeteria noise playing on a loop, almost as if the environment itself is tuned to remind SCP-9420 of a restaurant kitchen. Feeding it is strange too. It must be given cardboard, paper, and other plant-based waste and never animal tissue. The meatballs it produces aren't dangerous, but the rules exist because the Foundation doesn't want unpredictable reactions or biological feedback loops happening inside its containment. All meatballs it produces are collected daily, logged, and most are incinerated, because letting them out into the world would break the secrecy the Foundation lives by. SCP-9420 was found by the Foundation inside a Fletpack store in Älmhult, Sweden, after local emergency services reported an organic industrial accident. Agents traced the call to a secret room, Annex K, hidden between the restaurant kitchen and warehouse. Inside, SCP-9420 sat on a platform with meatballs being funneled directly into the store's kitchen via stainless troughs, and the employees swore the meatballs always just arrived, even though no deliveries were ever logged. When questioned, staff claimed the meatballs came in frozen bags like everything else, even though records proved otherwise. Some of them described the creature as just part of the magic of the store. The Foundation removed 9,420 quietly, replacing its supply network with a front company to prevent public suspicion. Like any good SCP entry, scientists pushed boundaries. A test batch with animal tissue added showed that while the meatballs still formed, subjects eating them experienced brief intrusive mental images of industrial kitchens and packaging warehouses, almost like memory fragments from SCP-942-O's origin room. There's also a documented psychological effect where people who grew up eating Fletpack meatballs, especially during the period SCP-9420 was active, report a subtle emotional sense of nostalgia or comfort tied to that food experience, even after it was removed.